How to change the opacity of a shape in Google Slides. If you would like to change the opacity of a certain shape in Google Slides, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is simply go ahead and then open up your browser. Maybe inside of Google Slides you have added a certain shape. And now you want to change the opacity, which means the transparency is something that you want to control, right? Now, unlike Google Sheets or Google Docs, or you don't see the transparency icon here, what you have to do is select that particular shape. At the top, you'll find this fill color option right here, right? Click on this fill color icon. Now, suppose let's say you have selected a certain color, so it could be any color, and then let's say you want to increase or decrease the transparency or the opacity, select fill color. You'll find this option called custom that says apply a custom color. We will select that. We won't touch with this if we're happy with the color, but the second one, you want to look this particular bar. You want to simply adjust this to a certain level of transparency that you want. You'll see the changes for the time being on this left hand side circle. You want to simply select that, click on OK, and just like that, you'll be able to increase or decrease the transparency of that particular text. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.